Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to do another Romwe haul, which I've loved doing. I've done 2 of these so far and they've both been really popular, so I like shopping there, so I thought I'd give it another go. But yeah, I haven't opened any of it yet. I haven't even looked. I've forgotten I ordered it like a few weeks ago. I cannot remember for the life of me what I ordered, except maybe a couple bits, but I can't picture them properly in my head. So without further ado, let's get started and then I'll try them on after for you. Oh, cute stuff! So first off, I ordered this beautiful bralette. This was quite cheap. Oh, I need to get the prices up on my phone. I got the embroidered lace bralette, rose lace bralette, which I paid £2.97 for. Ordered it in a medium. Just because, you know, I'm not really comfortable about talking about them on the internet. But this looks pretty. I don't know, maybe I should have got small because it is quite big. Oh well, I'm sure it'll be fine. I'll probably try this over a bra because I do want to show you what it looks like, but don't want to be provocative. But yeah, I'm quite happy with this. It's quite pretty. It doesn't feel too bad material. I like the roses. They're embroidered on as well, so it's not like cheap stuff. But yeah, excited to try that one. Quickly just popped this little lace crop top on. I won't show too much of it. But yeah, I've got a bra on underneath, but it's quite a nice little crop top, I thought. Okay, so next I got this lovely blossomy, that is not like the top, actually no, it is. Lovely blossom self-tie halter neck top, which is here, and I paid £2.23, so this was cheaper than the bra. Ooh, it's quite soft. Oh, it's like cotton. Oh, I like this. So this is it. It's not that much of a crop top actually. It's quite a long, you could get away with wearing this with a pair of jeans, now, in this February. And then you will see tie it here. But yeah, that's the pattern and a bit more depth. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. For £2, that's not bad already. You can kind of tell when you feel things if they're going to be good or not. So hopefully my judgment's being good. This is the little daisy top. I've just got a pair of blue denim shorts on, which are way too big for me now. But this is really sweet. I really like this top. It's a halter neck, but I have got a normal bra on, but it's fine. You get the gist of it. But yeah, I like this. Then I'm really excited to try this one because I really am into this kind of top style at the moment. It's the tie at the front top, so you've got a little bit of open chest, obviously not too much, but it's just a front tie top and it's yellow. Yay, my favourite colour at the moment. I'm joking. I don't know what my favourite colour is. I go through different phases. It was a little bit more expensive at £8.92, but it's got flared sleeves as well and it's got some tulips on it. So this is the pattern. We'll take out the package. Okay, no, this is not what I ordered. Wait, is it? Ah, tricked me. Damn it, I was really looking forward to this stuff. I mean, I could possibly do some, it's like a natural top and then it just ties at the front after. Bugger! This is the only annoying thing with Romwe, is you can't always see properly. But, you know, we're going to try and make this work. And if not, bit of patchwork. I could pop it down the front a bit, yeah, and then sew it, and then just split it, and yeah, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. But I'll show you what it looks like now. Quite cute. The arms are very big. They weren't this big on the picture, I don't think. I did want that kind of open space. It's still very sweet though. I feel like I could fly a bit in these arms. But no, it's cute. I do like it. Just wish I thought I saw what I saw. Then got another cheapie. This is just a normal plain white cami, which is buttoned at the top. It was £5.95, which now I'm thinking maybe a little bit expensive for what it is, but hopefully it's good quality. It looks tiny as well. It is a cami, and it's cropped, and it has got buttons though. So I didn't get deceived too much by this one. Oh no! Oh, for God's sake, Romwe, why are you letting me down in this video? Right, look what I've just found. A little bobble of sewing. Let down, Romwe. Come on. Oh well. I'll be able to fix that too, I guess, then. Another thing with Romwe is that you end up fixing a few things sometimes. So I've had to like sew bits just so they stay a bit more. But sometimes you have to do that with like other clothing as well. Like I've had to do that with shorts that I've bought before from Zara. So this is the just the plain white cami. It looks pretty cute. It's just not too see-through. Then you can unbutton if you've got tilly boots, which I don't, but you can always unbutton it if you're a bit hot, if you want it a bit more open. But we'll probably just keep them tucked in. But yeah, no, I like this. This is just a cute white top. We got the last top. Now this is what it looks like, and it was £5.95. And I thought this would be really cute just to wear at the moment, especially with either my black denim skirt I've got or underneath my black pinafore. Now I like this kind of style of top at the moment as well because it looks like the Gucci tops, and I really want a Gucci top, but I can't afford £300 for a top, so this one will have to do. It doesn't say anything, but it is very similar as in the style, like it's got the block colours, stripes, and it is a crop top as well, so these you can't really go wrong with. And it's soft and it's fine. This, let me just check for any little bit of problems with the stitching again. But other than that, it looks great. This top, I think, I'm having to do like a little wall sit while I do this. So this top's cute. Just a simple, it's kind of like a me top. If you ever see me just like in like comfy like lounge wear, then this is the top I would sort of put on. This is just, I thought this was going to be fine, like there's no problem with this one. So, let's move on to the shorts. I've got two pairs of shorts. Now which one do I do first? I'll do this one. This is what they look like, and they were £8.92. I've wanted a pair of shorts like this for a little while. Oh no, where's the bow? Oh, I was going to say, I swear it came with that bow. So this is what they look like. I think they're quite cute. The material is what I thought it was going to be, which is a bit silky, which is nice. They're not short shorts either, so don't you worry for those who hate short shorts. They are actually length shorts, but not too long either. So I'm just popping in the bow, so you can see what it looks like with the bow as well. Let me just check which way around it's supposed to be. Oh, and these are one size, so they're very stretchy. I will put a link to everything that I got and what size I got in the description box below, because all the time you guys are asking me what size I got, and yeah, so have a look down there if you want to see. That's it with the little bow. You can't really see, it's a bit of a crap bow. But yeah, Very excited to try these on. They're very cool. And they're quite light for summer as well, so. Because I'm already thinking about summer. I don't know. Winter's been gone. So, I mean, these are cool shorts, but they are very, like... Oh, maybe that's why. Does that help? I don't know. They're just very puffy. They puff out a lot from here. I don't know if that's just me, but they're very comfy. Probably just have to get used to wearing them. Right, now these are the next pair of shorts I got, and the last item I got. Now these were $6.69, so cheaper than the black ones, and they have pattern on it as well. And I got these in a size small. Oh, these are so cute. These. Now, comes with a little bow again, a bow skills. But again, I think these look a lot like the picture online. But yeah, I'm very happy with these. Let's try them on. Grey shorts. Fit fine. There's obviously not a huge amount of... They're just very loose material, which is quite comfy in the summer. They're very sweet, so I mean, you can't really go wrong if I'm honest. So that is all the clothes tried on, and actually they were all really good. I really liked them. Obviously there were a few mishaps with the bits and bobs, but you know, for such cheap clothing, are you really gonna moan too much? Because all of it was under £10. Like, you can't moan. If you want me to do a sort of similar thing, like I want to do one with bikinis or swimsuits for the summer too, let me know and I can work on my bikini board and then do it. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and this bit of hair is pissing the hell out of me. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know and I can do another one. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe down below. It would mean the world to me. Bye!